Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weather channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Gamepass in Please Donate. Let's head into Please Donate in Roblox. Here, we'll select the stand that we want to set up. There it is. Press E, click Yes, and copy this link. Make sure you copy the whole thing. Open your browser, and here we'll create the pass. Name it and click Create Pass. Now you click on the three dots and hit Open Settings. Click Sales, select it for sale, enter the price, hit Enable, then Save. Go back to Roblox and close it. And here's the pass I just created appearing right here. Well, it had to show up at some point. There it is. That's it, and that's all there is to it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Take care everyone. Good luck. See ya.